Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 5th, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.15. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 3.56%. This results in an average return of 0.20% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is likely. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 9.66% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 5.83% to 12.81%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests an anticipated change of 24.29% over the next year, with a potential return between 13.91% and 26.75%. This would result in a price range of approximately $580.64 to $646.09 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline: QQQ ETF price ended at $509.74 on Friday after gaining 0.88%. The QQQ ETF price gained 0.88% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, rising from $505.30 to $509.74. During this trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.99%, with a day low at $505.32 and a day high of $510.34. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 0.21% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 9 million shares, with a total of 15 million shares bought and sold for approximately $7.76 billion. It's important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $515.58, while the lowest price was $382.66. Currently, the price is 1.13%, or $5.84, below the 52-week high of $515.58, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. The QQQ exchange-traded fund has been facing recent challenges, demonstrating underperformance compared to sectors such as financials and industrials. Nevertheless, the ETF's core technology holdings remain fundamentally strong, allowing them to navigate market volatility effectively. As the emphasis on artificial intelligence continues to grow, investors are discovering solid opportunities to capitalize on this growth inflection. Political dynamics are influencing trading momentum. However, market confidence in the long-term potential of AI remains strong, indicating limited impact from changing political climates. Some analysts, however, advocate for dividend-paying stocks over large technology firms, highlighting risks such as slowing growth and inflated valuations, while emphasizing the steady income and growth potential that established dividend payers can provide. Despite a recent record high in the Nasdaq 100, driven by advancements in AI and favorable interest rates, concerns about a potential correction remain. Investors must consider both the innovation-driven prospects in technology and the stability provided by dividends. In the short term, QQQ may encounter volatility as it navigates sector competition and economic uncertainties. However, in the long run, its focus on disruptive technologies positions it for significant growth as the AI sector evolves, potentially rewarding patient investors who maintain their course. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, and so far it has declined by 0.86%. Further decreases are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the ETF. Moreover, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at $506.41 and $499.80. A drop below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 55 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we find short moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 58 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $483.36 and $468.62. There is an inherent risk when an ETF tests a support level. If this level is breached, the ETF may decline to the next support. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $483.36. If this breaks, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $468.62 and $448.69. Generally, the ETF exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $5.02 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.99%. In the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 1%. Before we delve into potential trading levels for QQQ, let's briefly review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might suggest that expectations for the company's future are low or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, which could present a tempting buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $512.90. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $483.36. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $490.76, reflecting a decrease of 3.72%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, contributing to a reduced level of risk. There is currently a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 14 days ago. Is QQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that this might be a good time to consider purchasing, as there is a reasonable chance for QQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. However, after examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 2nd of December, we anticipate that QQQ will open lower by $1.27, starting at $508.47. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.